Hello and welcome to How to Play Widow Whist, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the card game Widow Whist. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay, and then get into more of the details for the game. The game is played with 3 players. To play Widow Whist, you will need a 52-card deck, a Widow hand, and each player is dealt 13 cards, 1 card at a time. The Widow hand is the first hand dealt to the left of the dealer. Widow Whist is a trick-taking game with the goal of winning as many tricks as possible each round. A trick is created by each player playing a card into the middle. The player with the highest ranking card wins the trick. The cards are ranked with aces being the highest down to the 2s being the lowest. Clubs are always the trump suit. Trump-suited cards will outrank other suited cards. For example, the 6 of clubs would outrank the Queen of diamonds to win this trick. Going back to the hand that was dealt earlier, I have flipped up each player's cards for you to see. In an actual game, you will keep your cards hidden from the other players. Starting with the player left of the dealer, players have the option to switch their hands with the Widow's hand. Player 2 and Player 3 passed on the Widow hand. Player 1 doesn't have a great hand and decides to switch for the Widow hand. The player left of the dealer will lead the first trick. Player 2 leads the Ace of Diamonds. Each player must play a card in the same suit of the card that was led whenever possible. Player 3 follows suit by playing the 7 of Diamonds. Player 1 follows suit by playing the 2 of Diamonds. Player 2 wins the trick with the highest ranking card. The player that wins the trick will lead the next trick. Player 2 leads the next trick with the Ace of Clubs. Player 3 follows suit by playing a 2 of Clubs. Player 1 follows suit by playing the 4 of Clubs. Player 2 wins this trick with the highest ranking card. Player 2 leads the next trick, and players continue to play cards until all cards have been played. At the end of the round, each player will count the amount of tricks won. Players that used their original hand have a break-even point of 3 tricks. A player that takes the Widow hand has a break-even point of 4 tricks. Player 2 won 5 tricks, 2 more than the break-even point of 3. Player 2 will score 2 points. Player 3 won 4 tricks, 1 more than the break-even point of 3. Player 3 will score 1 point. Player 1 won 4 tricks. Player 1 took the Widow hand and has a break-even point of 4 tricks. Player 1 will score 0 points for the round. The scores are recorded. The first player to 15 points wins the game. Players must follow the lead suit whenever possible. If players cannot follow suit, they can play any card. When a player takes the Widow hand, the discarded hand can be taken by players that didn't have a chance to take the Widow hand. If a player takes the discarded hand, 3 tricks are still the break-even amount. Players that win less tricks than the break-even point will lose points. Here, Player 2 only won 1 trick and had a break-even point of 3. Player 2 will lose 2 points for the round. That wraps up how to play Widow Whist. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and get more game tutorials by subscribing to our channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching!